Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. So, before I do my braidless crochet, I always moisturize my hair. My hair gets dry very fast, so I'm using two different things, a cream and an oil. One thing that I started doing with these braidless crochet styles is when I put my hair in plaits, I trim the ends and it makes my hair look so much better and it actually makes my hair look healthier too. Since my hair is always in these styles, I really don't wear it out, but I have noticed that I've been really rough on my hair. So trimming my ends when I put it in these little sections has really helped my hair stay healthy. Now, I have come a long way with my plaits. I'm not good at going all the way to the ends, but my plaiting has worked out well. Now, I still can't braid, but I can plait. I'm using a lot of oil and cream because I want to keep the style in for about 2 weeks. And in Texas, it's hot and I sweat. And when you sweat, your hair gets drier faster. So I'm slathering it on just to be safe. There's no real special method to separating my hair. I just put my part in the front, and then the rest of the hair I put in little plaits, just so that when I put the net over it, it lays flat. The more plaits you have, the flatter your hair will be because your hair is not in big sections. And you can see right here where I cut off about a centimeter of my hair. I did that in each section just so my ends were not so frayed. This is the cap that I used. Sometimes I don't use it, but this time I did. I want to keep my base sturdy and safe. Whenever I like crochet through my hair, sometimes my hair moves. With the net, it does not do that. Like the title of this video says, I am using Freetress Deep Twist Hair. It is 22 inches, but I'm cutting my hair in half. Again, I live in Texas and it's really hot, and I just don't have any need for 22 inches of hair. Now let's get started with the crochet. All right, so this is the hair installed. I still have a few little pieces that I need to put in here, but this is the install. I have this much left from the fourth pack, so I used almost 4 packs, and that's with cutting the hair in half. So I probably could have done 3 packs, but I did have a lot of hair that got tangled. So 3 packs if there had been no tangling, and that's cutting it in half. If I was going to do full length, I would absolutely need about 6 packs of hair. Now this hair is not hair for quick install. It is not fluffy curl or wand curl. It's not go-go curl or presto curl. This is hair that you have to take your time on, or you get that tangling when you take it out of the pack. Even when I put it in and I tried to do my loops, I got tangles and I had to throw some of the hair out. For the most part, it layers fine. I did do the invisible part method in the front, and I'm not sure how that's going to go because when I run my fingers through it, I do feel some hair slipping out. So I may have to go back and loop that twice. But all in all, this is really fun hair. Like if I were going to do like a photo shoot and I wanted different hair, I would go for this hair. And I would go for it long. And the length of it before I cut it is 22 inches. So that would be really fun hair if I were going to do some like alter ego photo shoot or whatever. Or maybe just like go to the beach if I want to feel like luxurious and don't want to do a sew-in. So this is the hair. I really like it. I'm going to add a few more pieces, but that's it. I had 2 packs of number 2, 2 packs of number 4, and the hair was $5.99 per pack.